In this video, I'm going to show you how you can export data from Claude AI. So if you want to export data externally or share it elsewhere, you can get all your data straight from one point and then distribute it or share it. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and log into your Claude account. And once you are logged in, go ahead and click on your profile here and choose settings. Under settings, go ahead and choose privacy. Here you can see we have under privacy settings, we have an option to export data. If you go ahead and click on export data, now you can choose the duration of data you want to export, such as maybe the data for the last 30 days, 90 days, or you can customize according to your preference by entering the date duration here. For instance, if you want for 30 days, go ahead and tap on 30 days. You have to note that export will also include the following: the conversation, which will be marked by the duration you chose, and then users as well as projects, and this will export all of them. Then proceed and tap on export. And as you can see, the export has started. Now, once it is done, you need to go ahead and open your official email that you used to sign in for your account. And as you can see, I'm told here your data is ready for download. If you tap on it, now from my email, I can now straight away download my data from here. So proceed and tap on download data. And as you can see, my data is being downloaded. And here it will come straight to your computer. And here we go. It is done. It will come in form of a zip file. You can now unzip it to find the data. So that's how you can export data from Claude. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.